Hello and welcome to another video. It's a lovely day, the sun is shining here in Scotland. If you're not already subscribed, please do so. I've got another little project here to show you all. We've bought ourselves our first caravan. This is our 1992 Lunar Clubman. Right, so like I say, this is a 1992 Lunar Clubman, 5 berth, and for being a 29-year-old van now, I have to say she's in pretty good nick. I bought it from a friend at work. Jim and his wife had it. I think they were second owners from new, and I mean evidently they've taken really good care of this thing. The van has come with everything needed to just up and go. Really can't complain. Got a spare wheel in there. Got a handle for the jacking legs. Got the inner tent for the awning. This thing actually came with a full Isabella awning, which is in great condition as well. One little patch on the roof, I think, that had to be patched, but not at all. Got your TV aerial, your gas bottle obviously, and your pegs for your awning in there. And whatever that. And your hookup cable, and the water pump for your fresh water. Vans also come with its leisure battery, obviously. I think I do need to change the leisure battery. I was having a bit of an issue with the heater when we were out. We have actually been out once and the heater stopped working. I think it was due to pulling too much amps from the site. I think that's because the battery may be on its way out. So that's one thing I'll probably have to replace before we go away again. Hopefully when the restrictions are lifted, that'll be good. I've got a couple of cables here because I made a mistake for the first time I ordered them. So I'll just put that in there anyway. But I eventually did get the right cable for charging it at home and for hook up at home. Some fuses in there, you never know. Usual cassette toilet. Everything's working as it should do. You give that side glass a bit of a clean, maybe a bit of a clean, that's a bit. Now, this crystal filter, crystal filter, it has been broken in the past. It's been gummed up by the previous owner, but it works fine. There's nothing wrong with it. You can get another one of these for about £30 off of eBay. External socket, which is really handy when you got the on and up for your appliances, any appliances out in the oven, sorry. Good boy. Right, let's go over some of the issues she's got. As maybe some of you have noticed, we've got some gaffer tape on the side of the van. This was just me trying to cover up corrosion. So over the winter time, no water would get in. There is a bit of damp behind this wall. I'm not sure. I don't think the water's been getting in there as such. It'll have been getting in on the top rail probably, with the rail along the bottom here, I would imagine. That's one thing I'm going to have to do, is get in there, take that furniture out of that side and probably plate the back of this so that I can then repair the outside. Reading the comments from people who are obviously a lot more experienced in caravan than myself, they're always on about obviously fix the leak from the outside first, kill the leak from the outside, and then concentrate on the inside. So that's what I plan on doing. Probably take all the rails off, inspect and reseal, and then we'll start on the inside and get any damp walls fixed. Not entirely sure yet what I'm going to do here, whether I'm going to paint it again, try and colour match it, or maybe just get a vinyl on the bottom of the van. The pin strips, obviously they're a bit faded in places, coming off in places. Certainly the badges, we can take them off and repaint them. Fiberglass damage in places. Yeah, again, all stuff that can be fixed. The floor itself is in good condition. Everyone in here seems to be in order. The jacking legs, probably take them off. Give them a little bit of sandblast and a bit of refurbish. Give them a little restoration. If anything, I'll maybe take the wheels off, give the wheels a paint. Certainly service the brakes, and give the drums a paint up. I might even treat it to a new set of alloys. We'll see. Newer style hitch than what would have originally been on the vans, been fitted a couple of years ago, which is a good thing. It's nice to know you've got the family in the car, that's extra bit of safety there. The runaway cable will have to be looked at. It's got there's a bit of tape on there at the moment, a little bit rough looking, but probably fine. A new jockey wheel. The windows themselves we've went across quickly with the DA polisher. Laura did that last summer, just to bring the out. They were a bit faded, so they are better than what they were, but I'll go over them again this year to bring them up even better. I think she did a bad job. Going into the van, first thing we noticed is we've got a delaminated floor. She's a bit springy. You won't be able to tell on camera, obviously, but you do get a good bounce and you can hear it in places. So I will be lifting the carpet up, and see there's plenty of kits on eBay and online that you can buy. The floor repair kits with your dowels and adhesive stuff or whatever it is you put on, and glue, to get the floor done and nice and sturdy again. For the floor, I think we plan on putting a lighter, like lino down if you like, and then probably like a fitted carpet on that, because you know the carpet always makes it a bit warmer, makes it feel more cosy. So that's what we'll probably do that, but I'll brighten the van up to get rid of the dark red. Got your small double on the back, and then your bunk bed that folds down, single bunk bed, fine for the wee kids. Storage at the top there, everything's in good order. Cupboards on the bottom here. Just little things, as you can imagine. Delamination of the wood. Nothing that can't be fixed. Something's been dropped on here. Yeah, again, 29-year-old. Not to complain too much about that. There will be something you'll be able to get to fix that. There'll be kits something similar to probably a dashboard repair kit, I would imagine. Seal on the door, it's ripped at the bottom there, just get a new one of them, easy. Everything in the kitchen works as it should. I think there's maybe one hob that isn't seem to be firing up, but I'll have a look at that, see what the crack is with that. I mean, this could be taken off, the lid could be taken off, sandblasted, a little bit of a paint up, bring that back to life. Also, the hob is looking a little bit tired itself, but I'm not entirely sure what I can do with that. It's also going to be enamel paint, and I don't really want to lose the features, old features of that. And very expensive. I've looked, very expensive to get the hob and the grill as a combined unit, really dear. But yeah, grill and everything works fine. This is kind of hanging down. There looks like igniter or what it is, but we'll get that hooked back up again. Not an issue. Oven works fine. Fridge should be kept open, obviously for the kids not getting in. Fridge looks fine. It works fine. I think there's little things we'll start changing. Handles on the cupboard doors. Maybe change them for, you know, a brighter, more modern style. Lights, maybe. Certainly change the lights. Change these ones inside in here to LEDs. Change these ones. I'll get these ones changed to LEDs. Maybe with the USB ports as well. Light sockets. Maybe change the faces. Take off the actual boxes. Just give them a quick paint or silver. And then rechange the faces. Curtains. Laura's already taken down the curtains. First we're gonna try and dye them. Dylan machine dye. Dylan machine dye? Yeah, I think that's what it is. You get a pre-wash dye and then you get the dye. I'll show you the curtains in a bit. Front blind, it is broken. It's actually lying outside in a mess, in a heap. We'll have to get that replaced. Don't know if curtains will do the job. Would be nice to have the blind, especially with the fly net as well, so you can have that window open. Not worry about wasps and that coming in. The seats themselves, yeah, dated. Yeah, again, she's an old Anne, but condition wise, great, absolutely great. Yeah, feel the usual junk. As usual, the thing does get used as a little bit of storage. So we've got the old George Hoover in there, staying in there at the moment. But yeah, it came with the fresh water, came with the waste, came with everything. So yeah, a little recap, probably floor, fix the floor, new flooring, handles, curtains, dyed for a start, see if that's going to work. If not, maybe make our own, we'll see. Re-fabric the chairs, reupholster the chairs, kind of bring them up to date a little better. And yeah, just little touches here and there to kind of make it our own and to brighten it up. Like I say, I will have to remove this side, the furniture at this side, because this wall here is spongy. Doesn't go as far as that. It seems to be this panel here, from here to the front, and I don't know how far around it will actually travel. You know, like I've seen plenty of videos where they start on digging and the whole van's needing done. Also the wall here, yeah, again it seems to be right there, and it about there somewhere. So It could be leaky light, not sure. Top rail, who knows? All things I'll have to investigate. Here is the curtains, just been given a wash, no softener to help aid with the dyeing of them. As you can see, the colour difference in them is quite different in colour, obviously due to where it's been in the van, what sunlight's been getting to it, what's not. Hopefully the pre-wash will take them back to nice neutral colour, blank canvas if you like, and then get them dyed. But I'll show you that process in the next video. So guys, that's our caravan, the wee project that we've got on the go. So yeah, next video will probably be dyeing of the curtains. We'll get them all dyed up and see how they come out. Also see about getting this floor repaired. Get the kit ordered off of eBay, and we'll get floor ripped up, the carpet out at least, and see what we can do. If you like what you see, please like, share and subscribe to stay up to date with the project. Hopefully get some help by all you other caravanners, some suggestions, what you've done. There's a lot of stuff on Facebook, a lot of stuff on YouTube. It's already out there, but I thought I'd just start sharing our own journey. So yeah guys, until next time, see you later.